NetSmart is an organization that has been focused since 1968 on improving areas of healthcare that have been underserved. The main ones are the human services side of the house, behavioral healthcare being a large part of that, but substance use and intellectual and developmental disabilities are other aspects. In behavioral health, it's a very goal-centric model. They work with an individual, figure out what goal they want to achieve through the therapy sessions, and the documentation ends up being in that style. One of the standard notes that our providers use is called the GIRPP note. GIRPP stands for Goal, Intervention, Response Plan. In behavioral health, a lot of the documentation is unstructured information. The documentation process for behavioral health is a burden for the providers. Oftentimes, they spend upwards of 40% of their time just documenting the services that they deliver. That's almost 2 days a week that they're performing the documentation. Ultimately, the solution that we're building with AWS HealthScribe was to lessen that kind of capture of information for the provider and allow the computer to do that capture and allowing that provider to be in real time with that individual. Being able to do those things with AWS HealthScribe and Amazon Bedrock is the powerful platform that starts to unlock those insights and changes the user experience that a provider has, not only with an EHR, but with the client that they're serving in front of them. At the end of the day, we have a responsibility because there's over 140 million US residents that are being helped by our clients.